Love is a beautiful and complex emotion, but sometimes, it can lead to heartache and pain. Falling out of love can be a challenging and painful process, but it is essential for personal growth and emotional well-being. In this article, we will explore 5 steps to help you navigate the difficult journey of falling out of love. 1. Accept your feelings. The first step in falling out of love is to acknowledge your feelings. It's natural to feel a sense of loss, sadness, and confusion when a romantic relationship comes to an end. Instead of trying to suppress or deny these emotions, allow yourself to experience them fully. By accepting your feelings, you can begin the process of healing. 2. Create space. After a breakup, it's essential to create physical and emotional space between you and your ex-partner. This distance will help you gain clarity and perspective on the relationship. Unfollow or mute them on social media, and avoid contact for a while. Use this time to focus on yourself, your needs, and your personal growth. 3. Reflect on the relationship. Take some time to reflect on the relationship and what led to its end. Think about both the positive and negative aspects of the partnership. What did you learn from it? What would you like to carry forward into future relationships, and what would you like to leave behind? This self-reflection can provide valuable insights into your own needs and desires. 4. Reconnect with yourself. Falling out of love can be an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and your passions. Rediscover hobbies and interests that may have taken a back seat during the relationship. Invest in self-care and self-improvement. Focus on your physical and emotional well-being by eating healthily, exercising regularly, and seeking support from friends and family. 5. Seek support. Going through a breakup and falling out of love can be an isolating experience. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends and family for support. Sharing your feelings and experiences with loved ones can provide comfort and perspective. Additionally, consider seeking professional help from a therapist or counselor if you find it challenging to cope with the emotional distress. Conclusion. Falling out of love is a natural part of the human experience, and it can be a painful but transformative journey. By accepting your feelings, creating space, reflecting on the relationship, reconnecting with yourself, and seeking support, you can navigate this process with grace and resilience. Remember that healing takes time, and it's okay to grieve the end of a relationship. Ultimately, by following these steps, you can move forward toward a brighter and more fulfilling future.